So let's go ahead and start here tonight by drawing out an airplane. Now this airplane, it represents your data, all of your data. Remember, this airplane has a motor in it, an engine. It's taking you down the runway, but as you notice here, there are no wings on this airplane or a tail wing or anything, but you're trying to get to your AI. You want to be able to use that chat or maybe dashboards or whatever it is, sending messages to a drone to drop off Amazon packages, whatever it is that you're seeking for AI, it's going to come from your data. But most organizations today are like this drawing. They have an airplane, they have the data, and they're working hard and dumping all kinds of money into getting where they want to go. And the reality is, without the right foundation, without the right way of doing and curating your data, you will just be spinning that propeller and never be able to take off. But let's go ahead and take a look at what that means and our being able to take off and get to new heights when it comes to our AI aspirations. So here, as you see, drawing out, we've drawn the wings now onto this airplane. We're ready to take off, ready to fly, right? And the reality is here that we need some help to get liftoff. We need to put in a data catalog and a machine learning environment. Just think of your data catalog as your like a card catalog in a library. It tells you where all of your data is coming from. And notice on this screen, we have data source A, data source B, manual data input. Look, this is no different in any organization. Even a small business will be challenged by these things. Data coming from everywhere and us not knowing what those data assets are, right? What we want to see on that visualization, for example, that pie chart. What are the elements in that pie chart? Those are data assets, right? One may represent, I don't know, labor cost, and the other may represent availability of product. Whatever those data points are, those data assets are, we need to have them readily available to us. And that is a catalog. And then the machine learning operations, well, you need something to manage all of these data sources and this manual input. How are you going to match the data up so that it ends up on your AI dream? How are you going to do and manage to make sure that that data is actually viable and hasn't gone stale? Or what is the lineage of that data? How do I create those data models, that ability to intertwine my data to produce different results? How do I do that automatically and at scale? All of those things are going to come from that machine learning operational environment, that framework that you establish in your environment. So if you're looking to take your AI dreams to a whole nother level, before you can really take off, you're going to need to lay down some of those foundational pieces within your environment to be able to truly experience what data can do for your organization.